So hello friends, myself Om and you are watching the YouTube channel Technical Om. Today I will tell you the specifications of Motorola Capri Plus. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel to get the notification of the future videos. The specifications of Motorola Capri Plus are Snapdragon 460 6.5 inches HD plus display, 48 megapixel rear camera, 8 megapixel front camera, 5000 mAh battery, 15 watt fast charging, stock Android based on Android 11. This is some more information about the front and rear camera of Motorola Capri Plus. There are two color variants of Motorola Capri Plus, blue color and grey color. There are two storage variants of Motorola Capri Plus, 4GB plus 64GB and 6GB plus 128GB. This is the front side of Motorola Capri Plus. This is the back side of Motorola Capri Plus. The expected launch date of Motorola Capri Plus will be in the mid of the January. In my opinion, the expected price of Motorola Capri Plus should be below 10,000. This is the end of today's video. If you like the video, please click on the like button. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel. If you have any doubt regarding this, do comment down below. Thank you for watching.